Our vision is to reach every student in all universities and colleges with the gospel of Jesus Christ. We need that everyone in university to know Christ. That's our vision. That is Tafes. When you hear Tafes, just know that we are evangelical and we need to reach each student with the gospel of Christ. Praise God. This is the uniqueness of Tafes. First uniqueness, I've already said two of them. First of which, I've said that it's interdenomination and non-denomination. That's the first uniqueness of Tafes. Second, its focus is in university students and college students. That's the focus. But also, we can see other uniqueness. And these are the core values of Tafes. We're evangelicals. We are student-centered. The ministry of Tafes is not just to meet each one all over the world with the gospel of Christ, but to meet students in universities. Because we know that students have been trained to go out to change the world with the knowledge that they acquire from universities. We know if we reach these students with the gospel of Christ, the thing that they will go to produce in the world out of campus will create a new world of transformation. And that's the vision. Praise God.